How to improve signal service on iPhone. Here is how to improve signal service on iPhone if you are experiencing weak or no reception. First of all, open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then all you have to do is tap on the airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds. Then tap it again to reconnect to the network. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower. Now, once done so, try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can fix signal issues. Hold the power button or power plus volume and you will get to see slide to power off option available. Now slide to power off and turn it back on after 10 seconds. Now, lastly, all you have to do is tap on the general from the settings, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option available in there. And once you tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on the reset button available on your screen. And once you tap on the reset, tap on the reset network settings. This will reset cellular, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You will need to reconnect it to Wi-Fi networks. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.